All right, you're gonna fasten your seatbelt. I'm too fat. Hang on. And make sure your bar's lowered. Yeah, and then we're gonna turn the key. In this case, it's diesel. Well, here, I'll give you the full experience. Turn the key to halfway. It was already warmed up. That's gonna say wait. See the little glow, the thing that went away in the bottom, and it didn't say wait no more. Now you come back, you give her a start. Make sure she's cool. Give it down a turtle just so it can warm up, and then say green to go.